Happy day children, in this video we are going to learn grammar. In this worksheet 1 we are going to revise determiners and we are going to learn about nouns, pronouns, indefinite pronouns, prefixes such as over, pre, dis, re with some common words. This is the part 1 video of this worksheet. Here we are going to cover determiners and nouns. What is a determiner? A determiner is a word that introduces a noun. A determiner identifies whether the noun or noun phrase is general or specific. It always comes before a noun, not after the noun, right? And it also comes before any other adjectives used to describe the noun. Determiners are required before a singular noun, but are optional when it comes to introduce plural nouns. I repeat, determiners are mandatory in before singular noun, but it is optional when we are introducing plural nouns. Determiners are used to indicate number or quantity, and it is used to specify someone or something, and it shows that something belongs to someone. It also shows that the sequence or order of something. These are all the usage of determiner. Look at these examples. What is the first example? The bunny went home. Here, we are going to learn how to consider the placement and usage of the common determiner. What is a common determiner? We are going to see here the. Okay, that is a common determiner, right? In articles, we have learned the is the common determiner which is used for a particular, in order to specify something particularly, right? Here, I am using the word the bunny went home. Here, what is the noun? Bunny, right? Here, the determiner is placed before the noun or noun phrase. Got it? So, regardless of whether the noun in the subject or predicate, we are using this particular determiner in front of the noun. Look at the second example. I ate the chocolate cookie for dessert. What is the noun here? Cookie. And what is the adjective that is describing the noun cookie? Chocolate. Here, we are using the determiner, the word the in front of the adjective. Here it is used in front of the adjective. It comes before the adjective that describes the noun cookie. Okay, look at the third example. There is no determiner. Metal cans are recyclable. When we want to discuss the noun in general, we don't need a determiner for plural nouns. Got it? So here comes to the fourth example. Look at the fourth example. The metal cans are recyclable. The fourth example shows that we may add a determiner to refer to a specific nouns. In order to refer any specific nouns, we may add a determiner. Is this clear? Coming to the topic, determiners. The determiners includes the following things. The first one is articles. We all learned what is articles, right? It includes a and the. We will use a and based on the vowels and consonant sounds. And the is the determiner what we are using here. And the next one is demonstratives. Here, this, that, these, those are demonstratives. And the third one is numbers and ordinals. 3 is the number and third is the ordinal. And quantifiers. In order to quantify something. How you will quantify? Some, many, much, lots, etc. Here we are going to revise nouns. What is meant by a noun? Noun is nothing but a naming word. In order to name someone, we will use nouns. Nouns identify people, places, things and ideas. Nouns can be categorized as common noun and proper noun. Common nouns are used to name the people, places, things and ideas in general. For example, president. It refers to all the presidents. Now, coming to proper noun names specific people, specific places, specific things and ideas. For example, here I am referring Barack Obama as a proper noun because we are talking about a particular person. That is nothing but proper noun. Always the proper noun should start with capital letters. But the common nouns will not start with the capital letters. Look at these examples of common nouns. President, teacher, brother. It specifies the general thing. And coming to a specific person like Barack Obama, it is proper noun. Mrs. Sanders is a teacher. She is a teacher. And the brother name is Joey. These are all proper nouns. Here we are going to discuss how these nouns can be used. Nouns can be countable. You know how to count, right? If it is countable, we can precede it with the numbers. Nouns can be countable, but uncountable when we use them in a general sense. For example, look at the example, he bought 6 lilies. Here lilies are the noun, right? Here it is quantified as 6. I'm just numbering it. But look at the second example, the lily is a lovely flower. When we are using them in a general, here I am referring to the complete family of lily. So I am using the lily is a lovely flower. The second case is nouns can be typically uncountable. What are all the nouns which can be uncountable, like abstract noun and material nouns are uncountable. You cannot count it, right? But quantified using the structure. You can quantify those nouns also with some structure. A loaf of, a lot of, got it? A loaf of bread, a lot of attention, got it? Comes to the next one. Nouns can be usually uncountable but countable depending on usage. She played with an energy that surprised us. We cannot count how much energy we are spending, but it can be used based on the usage what we are giving. For example, it is referred as she played with an energy that surprised us. Usually it is uncountable, but it is countable depending upon the usage. Okay, before getting into the next topic, I would like to revise the following things, that is determiners and nouns. We have seen what is determiner and what is nouns in this particular part of video. In the second part of video, we will learn pronouns, indefinite pronouns, prefixes such as over, pre, des, re with some common words. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.